This is Celeste with Treating Trauma with Yoga again. Is there scientific evidence, people have asked me, about what it is that I'm talking about? And yes, actually there is quite a lot of evidence these days. There's a great book for someone new to this whole idea by Dr. Bessel van der Kolk. It's called The Body Keeps the Score. Dr. van der Kolk is the founder of the Trauma Center in Brookline, Massachusetts, and he's also a professor of psychiatry at the Boston University Medical Center. He studied the use of yoga for healing trauma at the Yoga Center, and he highly recommends the practice. You could also check out the work of he's not a doctor, Peter Levine. He's got a book called Healing Trauma. He's got a lot of other books on the subject as well. He's kind of the original author of material around the idea of movement and somatic practices for healing